At Lumen, we're connecting people, data, and applications, making sure that everybody has the right information at their fingertips exactly when they need it.
We provide high-speed internet services to small businesses, enterprises, as well as consumers. My team of developers essentially works on systems that take care of our customers' orders. Lumen has always prided itself in making sure that all resources are available to their developers, but there can be a learning curve required to learn new technologies and applications.
From a developer's lens, the biggest challenge was how do you quickly understand the domain we're working on, pick up these newer technologies, and focus on providing safe, secure, and reliable code for our customers and get through more projects faster.
Lumen joined with Microsoft using GitHub Copilot because we wanted our developers to gain mastery over new solutions quickly.
I use GitHub Copilot for everything I do. You can ask Copilot, hey, can you make this code more efficient, faster? Can you improve this code? I've seen it providing very unique ways of doing things that I wouldn't have thought about, being an avid coder myself.
Using GitHub Copilot and Visual Studio, we are gaining efficiency, flexibility, and security in getting to our ultimate goal, delivering great code faster than ever before.
GitHub Copilot offers us a range of coding solutions that can be applied quickly, turning half-day issues into one-hour fixes. We've seen a 20 to 30% reduction in development time, and sometimes hours and hours of research time that they've saved up on.
The learning curve has flattened. It's great for dev teams to learn newer technologies faster, and it's great for new hires. They can contribute to the team faster.
GitHub Copilot's definitely helping us advance our ability to create better ways to help our customers connect with the people, the data, the resources. This is what makes a real difference in their lives.